At some point, staring at another cable bill starts to feel exhausting, especially when contracts, hidden fees, and outdated hardware are still part of the deal. That frustration is exactly where YouTube TV enters the conversation, promising a simpler, internet-based way to watch live television. YouTube TV is a subscription-based live television streaming service that delivers more than 100 channels through your internet connection. Instead of relying on cable lines or satellite dishes, everything streams online, which immediately removes the need for installation appointments or rented equipment. You still get the familiar experience of live TV, including major broadcast networks like ABC, CBS, NBC, and Fox, along with popular cable channels such as ESPN, CNN, AMC, HGTV, and many others. In simple terms, it is traditional cable redesigned for modern viewing habits. What really makes YouTube TV stand out, though, is how its features are stitched together. The most talked about feature is unlimited cloud DVR storage. You can record as much content as you want without worrying about storage limits, and recordings remain available for up to 9 months. Compared to traditional cable DVRs that cap you at limited hours, this feels liberating. You could record every NFL game, every episode of multiple shows, and even overlapping programs without managing space or deleting old content. That DVR experience connects directly with multi-device flexibility. YouTube TV works across smart TVs, smartphones, tablets, computers, and gaming consoles. You can start watching a show on your TV, pause it, and continue on your phone without missing a moment. The interface stays consistent across devices, which makes switching between screens feel seamless rather than confusing. Another key piece of the puzzle is household sharing. YouTube TV allows up to 6 individual accounts under one subscription. Each person gets their own personalized recommendations, viewing history, and DVR library, while still supporting 3 simultaneous streams. This structure works well for families because it avoids overlapping preferences and keeps everything neatly separated. Sports fans also get several premium features that bridge the gap between streaming and traditional broadcasts. Multiview lets you watch up to 4 games at once, while key plays and real-time stats help you stay on top of live action without constant channel hopping. These tools add depth rather than just convenience. Now let us talk about pricing, because that often determines whether the service makes sense. YouTube TV costs $82.99 per month for the base plan. New users can currently get their first 3 months at a discounted rate, which softens the initial commitment. This price includes all channels, unlimited DVR, and household sharing. Optional add-ons expand the experience, including NFL Sunday Ticket for football fans, a 4K Plus add-on, Sports Plus with NFL Red Zone, and premium entertainment bundles that include networks like HBO. Looking at pros and cons helps bring everything into focus. On the positive side, YouTube TV delivers a cable-like experience without contracts, offers an excellent unlimited DVR system, streams in high-quality resolution, and provides broad sports coverage with a modern interface. On the downside, prices have increased over time, 4K content is still limited, some popular channels are missing, and most regional sports networks are not included. When everything is considered, YouTube TV makes the most sense for cord cutters who want flexibility without sacrificing familiar live TV. It works especially well for families, sports fans, and heavy DVR users. While it may not be the cheapest option, it offers convenience and freedom that traditional cable struggles to match, and that balance alone is often enough to justify the switch.